a 180, the other one was a 200, this is a 180, so yeah, it's a Jap import originally, Paul Smith's old car years ago, BDC, and then I bought it off a guy called Will Goff. So as you can see, I've already started making a mess of it. Took all the doors off and the interior out, there wasn't much interior in it. Had a look at the cage and I think it might have to come out. Brother's not too happy about it, so might have to cut that out and go again. So I'll just quickly just show you around the car quickly and you can have a look. At the moment I'm just relocating the wiring, which is my worst job. I absolutely hate it. So yeah, I'll just show you around quickly. So as you can see, it was it's a typical 90s Azura blue, I think. It's a Mondeo colour. I've stripped all the dash out. Yeah, the cage is all 40mm tube, I think, so it's a bit overkill. But as you can see, or you might not be able to see, it's a bit dark. The cage isn't very close, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get in there without smacking my head, me being a lanky git and all. But I don't think it's been welded around the tops up there, so we'll have to sort that out. So we'll probably end up cutting it out and starting again, unfortunately, because it's a good solid car. So obviously SR20 DET, 360 brake, Link ECU. Got all the kit on it, but it's pretty much original. As you can see, I'm in the throes of trying to sort the fuse box out. Not a great job, so I've got to pull it all back through. Vega Pro Tuner, I think, has done all the engine loom years ago, so that's all sorted. So I've got to pull it all through here, and then pull it all back across over to the passenger side. Then I'll have to make a bit of a panel, I think, where the glove box usually is, and then I'll yeah, have a flip down panel or something. So obviously bits that I'm selling off the car. I'm not too keen on these wheels. A lot of people are. They're Rotor GTR, so if you want those, there's a set of 4 17-inch ET12, which are perfect for a normal body. 9.5, so yeah, ideal for a 180 SX. So yeah, so that's this is the first video. I'll keep you updated what's going on, and we'll see what we've got to do with the cage, see if we can save it or rip it out. Might take a while because money's tight, insurance didn't pay out, so I managed to borrow the money to get this car, and at least I can get underway and start building my new car. Yeah, not ideal trying to rebuild a new one, but hey ho. Okay, we moved on a bit. Managed to get excuse my camera skills. Managed to get all the wiring out the front, out the engine, all into the engine, all into the interior. So yeah, we pulled it all through here, obviously back through here, through that hole, and then we've actually disconnected it because it was going to a automatic transmission. So obviously all I need is these bits to connect back onto the other side. So all that bit there can go in the scrap. And then the other side we'd obviously pull back through here, up through, and then back through there, obviously took the fuse box off the other side. So obviously there's the fuse box there. We've had to take out the way to pull this through, and then pulled all this back, and that's what we got left. So now we've got to splice all this and join it all over there. So I'll see you later. Bye.